Are you ready to take your video editing skills to the next level without spending a dime? Imagine creating stunning, high-quality videos like a pro, all from your Windows PC. Whether you're a content creator, vlogger, or just someone who wants to edit videos effortlessly, CapCut is your ultimate free video editing powerhouse. And guess what? I'm about to show you exactly how to download, install, and start editing like a pro in no time at all. Stick with me till the end, and you'll have everything you need to produce videos that wow your viewers. Let's jump right in. Alright, the first step in this exciting journey is downloading CapCut. Head over to your browser and search for CapCut for PC download. Make sure that you're visiting the official CapCut website to ensure a safe and smooth download experience. No spam, no complications. Once the page loads, click on the download button for Windows. It's that simple. The file is super lightweight, so it won't take long to download. As you wait, think about this. You're moments away from transforming your content creation game forever. With the download complete, it's time to install. Simply locate the installation file, usually in your Downloads folder, and double-click to run it. You'll see the installation setup window pop up. No headaches here, just follow the on-screen instructions. Click Next a couple of times, then sit back as the magic unfolds. And boom, installation complete. Look at that, smooth, hassle-free, and ready to roll. At this point, I recommend pinning CapCut to your taskbar for quick access. Let's waste no time. Let's dive into the fun stuff, editing. When you open CapCut for the first time, you'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface designed for everyone, from beginners to video editing pros. At the center, you'll find the New Project button. This is where your creativity begins to take shape. No intimidating menus or unnecessary clutter, just tools to unleash your imagination. If this is your first time editing videos, don't stress. I'll walk you through every tool and step needed to make pro-level edits in no time. Stay tuned. Let's start editing your very first video. Click on the New Project button to get started. You'll now see the workspace. This is where the magic happens. First, drag and drop your video clips, images, or audio files right into the media library on the left side of the screen. Or simply click the Import button to browse for your files. It's that easy. The media you import shows up on the timeline below, where you can split, trim, rearrange, and layer clips. Watch as I demonstrate how to do a basic trim. Select the clip, drag the edges of the timeline, and boom, you've just removed the unnecessary parts of your video in seconds. Want to add text, music, or transitions to make it pop? CapCut has hundreds of free built-in options at your fingertips. Let me show you. Let's make your video visually stunning. At the top of your screen, click on Text. Add captions, titles, or anything that'll grab your viewers' attention. You can even choose from fun fonts, colors, and animations that'll instantly elevate your video. Next, let's add some music or sound effects. Click on the Audio tab and browse CapCut's extensive library, free to use. Want to use your own track? Just upload it from your computer and sync it to your video timeline. Once you've polished your edits and are happy with the final product, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Click the Export button in the top right corner of your screen. Here, you can choose your video's resolution, format, and even file name. How cool is that? Full HD, 1080p, for crisp, professional quality results. Hit Export, and just wait a few seconds for CapCut to process your video. And there you have it. Your high-quality, fully edited video is ready to upload on YouTube, TikTok, or share with friends and family. And there you have it, your ultimate crash course on how to download, install, and edit stunning videos using CapCut on your Windows PC. Did you find this tutorial helpful? Smash that like button to let me know, subscribe to my channel so you never miss more expert tips, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you're editing with CapCut. Until next time, happy editing and stay creative.